Hey, what's up YouTube? Me, Jack here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we are possibly going to be playing the coolest game I usually play. I used to play this a lot. What team are you on, Dalton?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
We're on the red team. We're on opposite teams. You get to fight my tower. Set it on fire.
I had a friend named Michael Tandino that used to work for Victor Maitland.
Okay.
And Maitland had him killed. I can't prove that right now, but when I do, you'll be the first to know.
Forget what you can prove. Talk to me.
Oh.
I killed you.
You did.
Everybody knows that Victor Maitland is a hotshot art dealer. Okay?
Wait, don't. Oh, yeah, I respawned.
Art's not the only thing that he deals. And with this warehouse,
Let's
some
go.
guys
Stop. Stop.
Now,
You have to fight my tower. You can't just defend your own tower by chance.
Just because Maitland chooses to invest in the same kind of bonds
You have to fight my tower.
doesn't necessarily mean
Oh, I died.
The man's not an investor, he's a smuggler, okay? Be it bonds or drugs.
Oh, I'm on fire.
The crate that I saw didn't even pass
Yeah,
through
I just
customs. Maitland is paying someone. So
You died because of the fire. I can see Dalton's screen.
Maitland's guys get their hands on it. They take the drugs or the bonds out of the crate.
Oh.
They send it back before customs even knows what's going on.
And you witnessed all this.
Which cat is that?
Everything
I
except
think
for
it's
the
Jasper.
but I found coffee grounds all over the warehouse.
Why?
Coffee grounds.
What,
You said
Jasper?
something about that before. What does that mean?
Drugs are sometimes packed in coffee grounds. The scent throws off the dogs.
Very good, Lieutenant. Now what do we do?
Okay.
Look,
This
little
is.
man, I'm sorry. I'd
Why?
really like to help you. If you found the drugs, that's one thing.
Okay.
But if your only evidence is coffee grounds, we
Anyways.
don't have enough to get a search warrant.
Come on, guys. I know how we can
So.
get around.
We don't get around search warrants.
You might not be able to hear Dalton.
Taggart,
Yes, sir.
How dare you?
just start
Killed
checking
you.
these out. Start with the LAPD.
Okay, this is
FBI,
getting
and
too.
the customs
Oh,
service.
the red team won.
Look, Lieutenant, maybe you're much smarter
I'm
than
gonna
that.
get you
He
next
wants
round,
us
or we might be
slipping
on the
around
same
this place.
team
He's
next
gonna
time.
close down and
Maybe.
get shipments
I'm
from
gonna
someplace
kill
else.
him.
It'd be a big waste of time.
You won, Lucky.
Is that what your extensive experience leads you to believe?
What, Jasper?
You won a badge, Dalton.
Did I?
Yeah.
Is this the man?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to
Gentleman
wait.
crashed through Victor Maitland's window.
Look, Jack.
Who disabled
Aw,
a
he's so
non-marked
cute.
unit
Guys, we're
with a
playing my
banana.
cat. I wish you could see him.
Who lured
But
Taggart
we're not doing
and
face cam,
Rosemont
right?
into a gross dereliction
Dalton
of
doesn't want me to do
duty
face cam, also I don't even have a face cam.
establishment.
Oh, this is freeze tag.
Yes, sir.
Is this the gentleman?
Okay, guys, ignore the background, please. I'm on the humans team. What team are you on? Dalton! Hey! I'm right
Are we on
here.
a team?
Yeah, we're on the same team. We're the green team. Oh, I see the blue team over there. We gotta hide. Ah, there's snowmen. There's snowmen. There's snowmen. There's snowmen.
Snowman's bad?
Yes, they freeze you.
Oh, I'm freezed.
Oh, I froze.
Is this the man who wrecked the
Dalton,
buffet?
save me. I'm over
Where are
here.
you?
I'm over here.
Voice, for Christ's sake.
I see you.
Look, can the guy hear me through the wall?
Oh, this person already saved me.
Oh, the snowmen are so fast.
Yeah, that's literally unfair.
There we go.
Oh. I'm like completely covered. You can't even see me.
Rosewood,
I'm like completely covered. You can't even see me. You see that?
watch
Yeah.
your pack. And escort him to the city limits.
Help.
When you get there, you can give him his
I'm gonna
gun
type in
back.
help.
The 2 charges of disturbing the peace have been dropped.
Like, can you even see me? Look at my screen.
The chief says if you
I'm up
return
on
to
the-
city of
the
Beverly
ledge
Hills,
there.
The charges will be reinstated.
Save me.
and you will be
I am
prosecuted to
frozen.
the limit of the law.
Sir, may I say something? Billy.
Look, I'm completely covered.
He seems
Look
to
at my
have
screen.
enough to follow
You want
up.
to tell that
I'm
to the
not
chief?
covered completely. I can still see myself.
Then I suggest you get
I
moving.
can't see me. Okay, if you zoom into your screen, you can see yourself. But when you zoom out, you can't see
Humans
yourself.
lost.
Yep, humans lost. I have water on my head. I have sweat.
Oh, I got the most points.
How did we win?
Look at how many points I got. I was on top of the leaderboard.
Yeah. Wait, can I move out of myself? Oh my gosh, I could just like move. At least we won. I came in second. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Jimmy, there's a gentleman in town from Detroit.
Not that I am Jack Powell's squad. I'm gonna add you.
He came by the office yesterday and asked me.
Let's do this one. Infection.
I believe his name is Phil.
Infection. There's gonna be one person on the team, and I highly doubt I'm gonna be it. Okay, I'm on the humans team.
I'm on a beam.
Oh, really? You seen him lately?
They're the zombies. Hey.
He came in yesterday.
Oh, came by
Okay,
here.
okay. I cannot get infected.
And?
I will not get infected.
Jackie is
Shush.
might he be?
I'm filming.
Yes.
I will not get infected, so I'm gonna hide in here. Okay, I don't want to get infected. You're a zombie. You must infect the humans. I'm still a human.
I haven't seen him since.
Ew. I can see the people are saying ew in the chat. Are the humans faster? Oh no, I got turned into a zombie.
Yeah, I turned you into a zombie.
Did you?
I think so.
Dad, shush. We're filming right now.
Yes.
I wish I knew how to cut that out, but I don't.
Oh, I hope I didn't disturb you too much.
I wish I knew how to cut that out, but I don't.
We'll have dinner soon, yes?
And I wish I could edit the video so I can cut it out.
Take care.
You could probably get a video editor.
I don't know. Yeah, I do have a video editor actually, but I don't use it.
Alright, this is
Hey,
the
Billy,
last
look, I
round.
read the manifest, all right?
Why? We just only started filming.
I know, but we can film more tomorrow too.
Okay, part 2 is coming tomorrow, so I hope you like this.
What do you say? Come on.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
But I can't.
Why?
Can I get in here? No, I can't.
Because Bogomil would kill me.
Wow, just please try to ignore the background. It's almost, the round is almost done. Please try to keep enjoying the video. I'm sorry for the bad mic quality. I'm sorry for the bad mic quality.
How can you be sure if it'll be drugs or something?
I got a hunch, okay? That's a technique by which many crimes.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave the like button, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Say bye, Dalton.
Everybody in this goddamn town is a robot.